Hey guys, one clue here. I hope all of you are doing really well and have a really good day. In today's video we wanna unbox the Panther X2. Let's get started. So let's unbox it. The packaging comes in plastic, as you can see. So if you mind and buy this in a second-hand place, just make sure it is in plastic foil and it's not already unpacked. Then you should be fine and should know that this is an original product. And yeah, the packaging is not that big. To be fair, it's like the same size of the Brovan. If you haven't watched the video, you can check my info card and take a look on the Brovan unboxing. The first thing we will see here is some sort of info card or something else. Yeah, some basic information about the Panther X2. Not the worst, but I like it. Oh, and see, on the back side we have some instructions. It's better than on the Brovan side, to be fair. Yeah, let's put this by side. There we have the Panther. It's the same packaging of the same chassis like as the Brovan, and yeah, even the back side. So it's like only unscrewed the screws on the side where the antenna output is. Let's see what else we can find inside here. So this might be the plug, the power plug. Yeah, it is. Yeah, normal packaging for power plug. I believe it's 12 volt. Yeah, it's 12 volt, 2 amperes. Yeah, with an EU plug. Here's a small card of Panther. There you get one of these SIM card tools. It's probably for the button on the back side of the Panther X2. And here we have the antenna. It seems like it's the same one, like for the rack wireless, the rack hotspots, but it's nice. And that's it for the packaging. If you plug in your Panther X2 for the first time, don't worry, just let it update and it will blink a couple of times. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.